Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this plot building system where you can place any objects you want, any objects that you can create, meshes, objects, whatever you want. You can place them, build stuff with it, um, and stuff like this. And when you stop the game and play it again, you can like load on the plot, and preferably you want them to be the same size or to match the last size basically. Let's just load on this one. They stay loaded basically. The parts load, and it doesn't matter like what it is. Basically, if I rotate this thing, if I put it like here, and I rotate it like for example this degrees, and I play again, just a little bit of time to load basically. So as you can see this plot here, if I claim it, the objects stay in the orientation and stuff. They load back in. You can destroy them. You can build more. You can build more walls, whatever you want. Create your custom models and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get to the video. Okay, so let's get to the video. So what you need to do is you want to go into the link of the description, and you want to get this building system with saving and loading. And you get these 4 plots here. So you want to like put them somewhere, for example here. And what you want to do with this is inside of here you have replicated storage. You want to go inside of this folder, replicated storage, and you want to place it all inside of the replicated storage basically. In the server script service, do the same. Place it in server script service. In starter GUI, you want to place starter GUI in starter GUI basically. And workspace, you want to place these 2 things in workspace, highlight and plots. And you can delete this folder. So basically there's another step that you have to do. You want to go into creator store, and you want to search for placement service. And in placement service you want to get the zblocks 164 placement service module that he made. Thanks zblocks. So what you want to do is you can use this module and put it in modules basically. So get this script placement service and put it in modules. And inside of this you have some parameters. You have some properties. So what you want to do is you want to turn off preferred signals, and you can delete the ungroup thing that came with it. So now if you play the game, you'll see that everything should work. So basically you can choose plots and you can claim them, and there's already some walls here. So what you want to do is if you press V, you can open the build menu and you can build. And if you press V again, this error will pop up. So what you want to do, you want to click while you're in play mode on this destroy, and you want to stop it. So you want to go into this, you're basically in placement service script now, and you want to say if object, then end, and you want to put the object destroy inside of this. You want to save it, and you can clear the output. So the next time you play, you can also claim the plots and stuff, and the error won't pop up anymore basically. You can claim basically, and if you press V, I put some pre-made prefabs basically, or models that you can like build with, like this wall, this brick, and this stud. And if you press X, you can basically delete them. Press X again to turn it off, B to build mode, X to destroy, and stuff like that. So next thing I'll show you how to do is how to add more plots. You can also expand the plots. They don't have to be this size. They can be this size. And let's just say we add one more plot basically. What you want to do, you want to go into replicated storage and change the number of plots to 5. So how many plots you have in this folder, these plots things, you want to, sorry about that. So what you want to do is you want to change that number to how many plots you have. If I play the game right now, I adjusted the value to 5 because I have 5 plots. I can choose which plot I want and I can claim them. And basically, if I build something on it, for example, some walls and stuff like that, you'd preferably want them to be all one size. So if I stop now, if I stop the game and play it again, it's gonna load. And why you want them to be the same size preferably is when I load, for example, on this one, you can see that the walls are going off because this plot is bigger and it's kind of messed up. So you preferably want them to be the same size. So yeah, like if there's different plots, you want them to be the same size or adjust the size themselves. So yeah, to add the new models, meshes, and stuff like that, I'll show you. You go to prefabs and you can duplicate one of these. For example, you can put it in workspace. I don't know where it is right now. Okay, it's there. And basically, what you want to do is, this is your building block. So basically, you can, okay, so basically, sorry about that. What you want to do is, you want to like, you can change the size of this part, and you can change the hitbox. You can put any mesh, anything, and the hitbox is basically detecting the collisions and stuff, basically. So this is the collision of it, like if it's like this, or I can change it to this, but I have to change the hitbox too. The hitbox matches this size. You want the model to be inside of the hitbox. So basically, if I place it back here and rename it to block, for example, what you want to do, you want to go into screen GUI, into build mode, or not build mode, build menu, scrolling frame, and you want to duplicate one of these and just rename it to the same name as this block thingy. So block. If I rename it to block, it's gonna add it. And if I play the game this time, and let's just say I load on the biggest plot because that's where I did the thing. If I press V, I can now see this thing. Of course, you can change the icon what you want. I put this custom icons for this, but this is the block, as you can see, and I can place the block now. I can change the texture. You can do complex models and stuff, anchor them, do whatever you want, basically. And this is how you add parts. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll find this useful. So see you in the next video. Bye!